why does everything feel so broken? Do you ever feel like no matter who you talk to, everyone feels like so many things are just broken right now? We're living in an amazing time. So many things feel like they're falling apart, and yet the opportunity to reimagine the future we want to build has never been greater. Consider this. In most organizations today, we're still using systems that people developed for the Industrial Revolution over 150 years ago. Assembly lines and top-down management systems were designed to turn people into processes, cogs in a wheel that could churn out widgets for a mass market. Today, these systems more often than not get in the way of the kind of breakthrough thinking we need to solve today's most pressing problems. This is why the ways that we have organized ourselves for centuries seem suddenly to not work anymore for anyone. What if I told you that it's precisely when we find ourselves feeling that everything is at its most broken that we're closest to a breakthrough? That the presence of tension and conflict means the seeds of a solution are right in front of us. The KOAN method is about creating conditions for those breakthroughs by building kind, open, adaptive networks. Too many existing systems are impersonal, disconnected, and rely on individual progress as markers of success. But what if work were rooted in kindness, connection, empathy, and care? You know, those things that have us feel safe enough to be bold. Imagine the innovations and solutions we could co-create if only we could truly connect with and listen to each other, rather than staying stuck in polarization or division. I hope that you'll choose to explore the KOAN method alongside me. My book will be available soon, and you can start learning to put its principles to use right away. There's never been a better time. Let's do this.